Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank page, or perhaps a cluttered manuscript, wishing there was one magical tool that could handle both the nitty-gritty of writing and the headache of formatting for publication? If you're an author, indie or otherwise, the answer is probably a resounding yes. We all dream of that streamlined workflow, that single piece of software that can take our brilliant ideas from raw words to polished, print-ready books and beautiful ebooks, without breaking the bank or requiring a degree in graphic design. For years, many writers, especially those on Mac, have looked to Vellum as the gold standard for book formatting. And for good reason, it produces stunning results. But Vellum has a significant drawback. It's Mac-only, instantly excluding a massive percentage of the author community. And then there's the price, which for both ebook and print options can be quite a hefty investment for new or aspiring authors. Enter Atticus. This relatively newer player in the writing software arena has been making waves, promising an all-in-one solution for writing and formatting, accessible on virtually any operating system. It boasts a user-friendly interface, a growing list of features, and the promise of simplifying the entire book creation process. But the question that quickly arises for anyone considering a new software investment, especially in the often budget-conscious world of self-publishing, is, how much does Atticus writing software actually cost? Is it a subscription model that drains your wallet month after month? Is it a one-time purchase? And how does its price compare to other popular tools out there, like Vellum or even a more general word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs? Today, we're going to dive deep into that very question. We'll break down the pricing of Atticus, explain what you get for your money, and discuss whether it's truly a cost-effective solution for authors looking to streamline their writing and publishing journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of Atticus's pricing structure and be better equipped to decide if it's the right investment for your author career. So, let's cut to the chase. How much does Atticus writing software cost? The excellent news for authors who prefer a clear, one-and-done purchase is that Atticus operates on a single, one-time payment model. You don't have to worry about recurring monthly or annual subscription fees eating into your royalties. You pay once and you own the software along with all future updates, forever. This is a significant advantage, especially when compared to many modern software offerings that lean heavily into subscription services. And the price for this lifetime access, for unlimited books and ebooks, across all supported platforms? It's $147. Yes, that's right. For a single payment of $147, you get access to Atticus for life, including all future updates. This is a crucial point because software, especially in the tech world, is constantly evolving. Knowing that you won't be hit with upgrade fees for major new versions or forced to subscribe to get the latest features is a huge relief for many authors. Now, let's put that $147 into perspective. Consider its closest competitor in the formatting space, Vellum. If you want both ebook and print capabilities with Vellum, you're looking at a cost of $249. So, right off the bat, Atticus is significantly more affordable, coming in at $102 less than Vellum for comparable functionality. This price difference alone can be a game changer for authors on a tight budget, or those just starting out who want to minimize their initial investments. Beyond just the price, Atticus also offers a major advantage in terms of platform compatibility. As we mentioned, Vellum is exclusively for Mac users. This leaves a vast majority of writers who use Windows, Linux, or even Chromebooks out in the cold. Atticus, on the other hand, is designed to be cross-platform. It's primarily a cloud-based application, meaning you can access it through your web browser on virtually any device with an internet connection. This flexibility means you can seamlessly switch between your desktop PC, your laptop, or even a tablet, and your work will always be synchronized and accessible. While there is a downloadable version for offline use, the cloud-based nature is a huge convenience. So, for $147, you're not just getting a formatting tool. You're getting a comprehensive writing environment that integrates directly with powerful formatting capabilities. Let's briefly touch on what that means you get for your money beyond just the ability to format. Atticus offers a full-fledged word processor with a clean, intuitive interface. It includes features like goal tracking, which can be incredibly motivating for hitting your daily word counts, and organizational tools to help you keep your manuscript structured. You can build out your book with chapters, parts, and even volumes, making it suitable for both short stories and epic series. One of its standout features is the theme builder. This allows you to customize the look and feel of your book with pre-built templates, or by creating your own unique designs for chapter headings, ornamental breaks, fonts, and more. You can see how your book will look on different devices, from iPhones to Kindle Paperwhites, ensuring a professional presentation across all platforms. And when it comes time to export, Atticus provides multiple formats, including EPUB for ebooks, PDF for print, and even DOCX for further editing or backup. The fact that all these features, including future updates, are bundled into that single $147 payment is what makes Atticus such a compelling value proposition. You're investing in a tool that's built by authors for authors, with a clear understanding of the self-publishing landscape and the needs of writers. The team behind Atticus, led by Dave Chesson of Kindlepreneur, has a strong track record of developing author-centric tools, which bodes well for the continued development and improvement of the software. Of course, no software is perfect for everyone. If you're a seasoned graphic designer with access to high-end layout software like Adobe InDesign, Atticus might not offer the same level of granular control. However, for the vast majority of indie authors who are looking for a straightforward, efficient, and professional way to write and publish their books without a steep learning curve or recurring costs, Atticus presents a very strong case. It's about empowering authors to produce high-quality books without needing to become formatting experts or spend thousands of dollars on complex software or professional formatters for every book. The $147 investment is designed to pay for itself quickly, especially if you plan to publish multiple books. The time and frustration it saves, coupled with the professional output it delivers, can easily justify the cost. Before you make any purchase, it's always wise to explore resources and reviews. While Atticus doesn't offer a free trial in the traditional sense, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. This allows you to try out the software and see if it fits your workflow and needs, knowing you can get a refund if it doesn't work out. This try before you fully commit option is a valuable safety net. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.